This your boy Precision Connections at PrecisionConnectionsOrder.com. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Visit and check out my website. We got a 2004 Nissan Maxima, and I'm throwing in a radio. I gotta pick whichever is the best radio out of the two. Customer supplied this. Good friend of mine. Done several calls for this particular person. So this radio, everything kind of works, but the wiring, as you can see, is all jacked up. That's why it's always good to do work with a guy like me. So this is the before. This is what somebody did to kind of get the factory radio going. So I'm gonna have to clean this up a little bit, or a lot. And I'm gonna take this radio out, put something in new. Already did the system in the back. So I'm just gonna run the RC to the front, remote turn on, install the kit, and that'll be it. So get your popcorn, get your beer, whatever you like to drink, orange juice, soda, whatever, and enjoy the ride. Try to knock out these 4 screws. Normally these screws are real tight, but in the case that this radio was already removed, there's no thread lock in there. That's the reason why these screws are normally and usually tight on the Nissans, because they put thread locking. I don't know for what reason. I guess it's a security thing that they would put thread locking on the radio terminals. Or it could be because of the heating, I don't know, but they use thread locking. Let me get this onto the other side. So I'm just gonna slide this radio out. Kind of prop this up. Might have to drill out this screw right here. The screw is all jacked up, so I'm gonna have to drill this out. Well, that's not gonna work. I don't want to kill my battery, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop all the rest of the screws off of this panel and just wiggle it out. A little trick you guys can pick up. You got it?
They couldn't find the antenna that goes with the car.
So what you want to do in a case like this, where you just have one screw that's holding you back, you remove the rest of the screws and just wiggle this. I don't know if I can wiggle it and hold the camera at the same time. Let me try to wiggle it and hold the camera. You wiggle it, and it's going to loosen up the thread lock, because everything is riding on this metal plate right here. So all you want to do, kind of wiggle the radio. Damn, I can't get a stability. You see how the screw just moved? See, it would have been better if I had did this before attempted to drill out the screw. So I might not even be able to get it out now with a screwdriver. Yeah, wow, I was able to get it out. Alright, so instead of me standing here all day drilling, and I got a lot of cars to work on. What I did was just remove the screws from the rest of the unit, being that it's just one screw that's holding me back, and just wiggle it out. So now I can just replace these screws in the remaining part of the radio. This way it'll be easy for me to line up the new radio with the bracket. So like a job like this, probably 30-45 minutes. Being that I'm, you know, shooting a video, it kind of slows me down because I'm trying to get the camera to be stable as possible, which is not good right now. So this particular screw with the coarse threading goes in the plastic housing, which is right here. Very awkward. I gotta get a tripod. I'm gonna buy a tripod to do my videos. So you want to put all the screws in this way. And I can just remove out the radio. So they gave you back the radio over there?
Man, I went there, the freaking thing expired about a year ago. So I'm like, fuck it.
So what they told you? They was like, nah,
They was like, there's nothing they can do.
Told you. It's like, damn. I don't think this is gonna fit though.
Huh?
This might be a little bit too big.
What if I take the bracket out? Will we get the bracket in there to fit?
Maybe.
How the hell is that? You cut pieces of it to make it fit, or?
Nah, it comes with the. This is the kit right here.
Oh, alright.
So all you gotta do is put that piece on there.
That comes with the radio? Or?
No, he
oh,
had
with
to
the
buy
car?
that separate.
Oh, wow. That's crazy. If this don't fit, I'm just gonna put the old radio in there.
Yeah. This one, it might not fit. It might. If that bracket can't come off, then it might. Because I tried to put it in here, but it was too big.
That's what he liked, right?
Huh?
I'm like, I heard him from far away. I'm like, this fucker was in the back the whole time. Yo, I thought you was. I heard you clearing your throat. I thought you was laying down in the back.
Oh no. Damn, I'm that loud?
Yo, that's what you wanted to put in, right? But this one is the one that fit.
Yeah, that's a bigger radio.
Yeah, the one of them is too big for mine. I think it'll fit your car perfect.
Hey, we got about to find out. Yeah, I had a check engine light that came on in my car. My check engine light came on and then it went off and just go back off again.
It came back on or no?
It was on, no, not yet. Like spend like the entire day on, and after that, just go off by itself.
It could be an evap problem. Yeah, maybe the gas level.
Probably, but I would getting some cheap gas too.
I put regular on your car?
Yeah.
That car take. Yeah, I think that car takes regular.
Yeah, regular. Might get like a super duper car, then I put some better fuel.
When you get the Wangler.
Fuck yeah. That's the goal. That's what I'm saving for now.
How much those go for?
It depends. Anywhere from 40 to 50. It's like 32 base model, but
If you get that car, the custom part like cost more because you're gonna have to get custom
Exactly.
tires and shit like that and the wheels and
that's why you gotta get it like regular.
yeah.
Nothing in there. Don't pay for no extra shit.
Exactly,
Or
and you do the
put
shit.
your own shit on.
Yeah,
Exactly. Shit, mad bread.
Fucking lift it up with some nice wheels in there.
The dealer will charge you extra for this shit, like
Much.
mad
I'm
extra.
gonna put 5% tint on this shit.
All black on black, you ghost.
Shit, nigga.
Yo, how you get around the inspection though?
I know somebody.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I heard this shit is so, they
Yeah.
got tests real cross inspection. That's the only way they could they could stop people from getting tests in New York City.
They thought about that shit really good, man.
Yeah, that's a smart one.
Fuck that. We gotta go about the inspection guys.
So they put the blame on them.
Yeah.
Cause I was reading it online and it was like they gonna go after the inspection. Like
Mhm.
whoever inspected that car,
Yeah.
they could possibly go after them.
But it's like if you got it after the inspection, there's nothing you can do.
Yeah, I
about it.
mean, yeah. You can do that. Yeah.
But yo, as soon as you pull up next to them, goes up, you got inspection. You're not gonna pass.
Yep.
I'm like shit.
oh, so it's the tents. They tell you they're gonna pass.
Yeah,
the
you're not gonna
permit?
pass. You didn't even put it in the computer. Like, you're not
Oh,
gonna pass.
shit.
They got a new machine. Like remember the one that goes.
Yeah,
It's-
it's like a
now
magnet. It's
yeah.
two sides.
You know why? Cause the dollar van drivers, he was cutting the.
Yeah.
I just saw the dial van, right? Nigga took the fucking red light from the once you turn the red right here till the ave.
Mm.
Just stop and go, stop and go, stop and go. I'm like, what the fuck?
He take every light, you
Every
know?
fucking light, like literally like every light on Archer.
Cause you know there ain't no cops there.
I was in one last night.
Yo,
And
this
this
speeding.
dude was going like
Yeah.
80.
Yeah, they go.
Yeah.
And he was banging lights.
Cause they trying to get as many customers as they can.
Yeah, they want to get that round.
Yeah,
trip.
yeah. That's
They don't
Putting
take
everybody's
license
life
to
in
that shit.
danger, man. It's not worth it.
motherfuckers flying. I'm like,
There was a little girl in the front seat too.
Oh,
It would have been a wrap.
Yeah. And they would probably blame the other person. Like, oh, you took the red
Plus,
light?
he was blaming everybody. You're not moving fast. You're not moving He was already blaming people.
Like, nah, nigga, you going to fast.
why you mad at me because I'm going my number way?
Yeah, he was blaming everybody. They don't even want you to park in the streets or something. You gotta park in your driveway.
Yeah, because everybody have a driver.
Yeah, everyone has a car. Yeah, but if you have like a big family, you asked out in Long Island.
It depends on the part, too.
Yeah, it depends on the part. Yeah.
Some people, you can't park in front of their house.
Yeah, when like.
You put the cops in your eye like yo.
No, they tell you move your car.
You
Like,
see,
as
yo-
you park, it's like you move your
Nah,
car.
some of them at after 8 o'clock you can't park on the street.
Yeah.
Mhm.
One time I parked out there and the cops, they called me. Like, yo, you gotta move your car. I'm like, how you get my number?
You probably made a report before.
No, you know how? And DFV, they have your number when you register.
It's crazy.
They'll call you. So like New York City, they don't call you. But Long Island, they'll call you.
Fucking Optimum, right? They called me, right? They said, I owe this niggas $5. I'm a bill. Long Island. Niggas called me and said, you're gonna go to my credit if I don't pay this shit. I'm like, $5?
It's like, I want my $5.
I had to pay this motherfucker. I'm like, what the fuck? $5? You just can't let this shit go?
Take the shit and lose my number.
No, I'm like, yo, here you go, man. All right, thank you, sir. I appreciate you. Take a pull up.
That game, I didn't want. Aucune raison de questionner votre gratitude.
You got Haitian.
It's hitting harder.
Yeah, it sounds good on the video.
When the bottom night I call stacks. Knew that I would drill when I hit it. You ain't getting checks. Last night took a hell, but tonight I bounce back. Big time LA.
Sounds pretty good, huh?
Yeah, the video wasn't good. I'm trying to do something for the summer, man.
I ain't trying to blast no fucking music or something.
No, I'm saying I'm trying to go somewhere for.
Oh, I thought you said you getting ready for the summer.
No, I'm gonna do it like on my 3-day weekend. I'm gonna just add like 2 more days of it, like go somewhere for like 5 days.
Like that.
Yeah.
But to make Safi give me a freaking border pass. Yo, Lily, whatever her name is, did she put me on that flying thing?
I don't know. She asked her to put you on it?
No, I don't talk to her like that. You told us about some bullshit about you and summertime. Oh,
yeah.
It's summertime. It's probably about the fight.
Gotta get you one good, but you want to think that's fine.
Just cheap.
No, that's so much money, man. $600. Like,
That's cheap.
This come with the flight in the hotel.
I want to go to DR.
Yeah. They do have like,
Don't know no bar.
it's not even as exact. You won't even be much. See from the 12. Back on
You got to do it for 2 people. It's sloppy.
Yeah, that's a bad thing.
Well, it probably don't pop. You don't pop when it's in You just hold it right.
She know it's crazy. She put a number down on that neck and slid it to me. She said, call me Maggie. Texting daily. She feel good like some window down in the summer in a new Mercedes.
You don't got a DVD? No, right?
She know it's crazy. She put a number down on that neck and slid it.